The church was founded by Augustinian priest Reverend Andres de Ordaneta on April 28, 1565. Parang script. The first church and convent were built out of earth, hardwood, and nipa. Both structures burned down on November 1, 1566. In 1605, Reverend Father Pedro Torres started the construction of its replacement. The second church was completed in 1626. But it was also destroyed by fire in March 1628. And it was rebuilt immediately under the administration of Reverend Juan B. Medina. Post na. This time it was built using stone and bricks. Here,
Welcome to Magdagko ko Kandila.
muna itong dagutanan ha, kandila. Fernando Valdez in present church, Fernando Valdez E. Tamon is the Spanish governor of the Philippines, ordered the church in 1735 to be constructed of hard stone, which was built the same spot where the previous churches stood. Then Father Provincial Berganio, Governor General Fernando Valdez, Bishop Manuel Antonio Campo of Cebu, and Reverend Juan de Albaran, Prior of the Santo Niño, started the foundation of the church on February 29, 1735. The construction was designed and led by Reverend Juan de Albaran, and it was completed in 1739 or 1740.